текст на поездку.
They like these gargoyles, even in Vietnam they have built one. Les Français aiment bien les gargoyles, même en Indochine il y en a. Après le pont à gauche, une maison au bois du XVIIe siècle. After the bridge on your left, a wooden house from the 17th century. On your left, house in construction. It's painted now. And the houses on your left are very little, 50 square meters. Les maisons à gauche sont très petites, 50 mètres carrés. Et vous connaissez le prix, 500 000 euros. And you know the price, 500,000 euros. In Portugal, I can buy 3 good houses for that money.
А за миллион это мельница уже не
Of the 17th and the Hans Memling Museum. À votre droite, l'hôpital Saint-Jean du XIIe siècle. Il y a une pharmacie du XVIIe et le musée Hans Memling. Very good, huh? Yes. We arrive at the Lake of Love, beautiful swans. On arrive au lac d'amour, joli Signon. The smell is from the Bruges. Visiter et voir comment les gens vivaient au XVIIe siècle. In front of you, it's the lock house where the water of the city is regulated. L'eau de la ville est régulée devant vous. And you can see the mascot bear between two pillars in the middle holding a shield. Vous voyez l'ours mascotte au milieu avec un bouclier. And mind your heads again. Attention tête. Sauveur 14e siècle avec de belles tapisseries. fils. Et c'est pour espionner à gauche au-dessus. It's like a spy window left above. I show you. If you want to know how rich people lived in the 15th century, it's this museum on your left. Si vous voulez savoir comment les riches vivaient au 15e siècle, c'est ce musée à gauche. Crétus. Can't you see I love you? Please don't break my heart in two. It's not hard to do, cause I don't have a wooden heart. And if you say goodbye, I know that I would cry. Maybe I would die, cause I don't have a wooden heart. Thank you. That was Elvis in Bruges. Dolce Napoli. And in this hotel, one night cost 400 euro. Une nuit, ça coûte 400 euros. The 720 crystal windows coming from Murano, Venezia. Les cristals viennent de Murano, Venezia. So, ladies and gentlemen, we arrive at the end of our tour. I hope you enjoyed it. You can always leave behind a little tip as an appreciation and gratitude for your charming captain. Mesdames et messieurs, on arrive à la fin de notre tour. J'espère que ça vous a plu. Vous pouvez toujours laisser un petit pourboire pour votre capitaine charmant ici. Thank you very much. Merci beaucoup. And I wish you a nice visit back to the beautiful states, England, everywhere you go. Bye.
Bye.